Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and here I have the latest gaming handheld for you, and this is the Onexplayer2. It's their 2023 first new product, and this time they use the AMD 6800U, the flagship chips for this handheld. And today I'm going to have a very quick and very simple unbox video about this latest and cool gadget for you. And here the box is in front of us, so as we can see, it's have a very luxury design books, because we can take a close look at the material of the books. It's like kind of leather material, and use the print technology here, print and shine technology. And here the slogan, gaming computer for hardcore gamers. And here is the brand name, Onexplayer with golden print. And here is I think it's the logo or something. And it looks so high end. The books I really like it. And here they also have some special design in the outside of the books, like this. Around it have they're not designed like totally closed and totally covered, but just that they leave a line with yellow. We can see the yellow color of the inside paper. Here we can find the logo and the direction buttons, or X, Y, A, B buttons or something. So this is pretty cool. And today this version we'll have is the white edition. It's the Onexplayer2 second generation 6800U white edition, and the RAM is 32GB RAM, and the ROM is 1TB. So yeah, next time I'm going to unbox this and check what's inside, what the final product looks like in these books. And first, let's get the cover aside, and then after we remove the cover, you can find that it's a black paper covers the things. Here, enjoy my time anywhere and anytime. Enjoy my time anywhere and anytime. So it's for the gamers. Hope the users, the gamers, can enjoy the gaming time when they use these devices, handheld products. And so this also looks pretty nice. And the next, after we remove these, now the product is just in front of us. Yeah. So this, yeah, it's all the stuff inside these books here. Yeah, I think this is the main device. Here is the main device. It's have a white frame, and we'll talk about later. And here it's about envelope instructions. I think this is the user manual about this. About this Onexplayer2. Yeah, I'm the user manual. So this is the user manual. We can get the instructions before we use it. And also next, yeah, here is the another small box inside this big box here. Okay, let's open it. But you find there's a cross logo. Yeah, I think for these are the controllers of the handheld. Yeah, here. Okay, nothing left. So this is the handheld. The controller it was in a soft plastic bag. Whoa, cool. Oh, sorry. And here another controller in another small soft plastic bag. Okay, now, whoa. Yes, so this is all the stuff inside this second box. Yeah, I think this is a controller, and it's a detachable controller this time. We can fix it here, and then we control it. Okay, I will show you next, and then we can check this one, the third. Oh, not so easy to get it out. Okay, here. Whoa. It's also a small box. Okay, let's open it. Whoa. Okay, so this is the cable. Yeah. The Type-C to Type-C cable. Yeah. And with fiber material, good quality cable. Yep. This cable. And here. Whoa, I think this is the charger. Yes, so this is the Type-C to Type-C charger. Yeah. Yeah, this is the charger. And from the official certifications, this time they use 13,100 big batteries with a 65.5 watt fast charger. So this will be pretty cool when we use this charger to charge the device. Okay, so this is all the stuff inside the big box, and the charger 65.5 watt, and the fiber good quality cable, and also the left and right controller. And here is the main body of the Onexplayer2, and I'm going to remove the screen protect about this. Whoa, now here the Onexplayer, sorry, the Onexplayer is in front of us. It's okay, so this is the main body here. Okay, I think like this. Whoa. And here. Okay, now it's a detachable handheld, and now we fix fix the controller to the main body, and now it's the final looks like of the appearance of our design Onexplayer, and it looks great. And yeah, the big screen, and here is a charging cable, and here is the magnetic connections with the keyboard. Here it works with the magnetic keyboards, and also here are the more function buttons. It's here holes to get the heat push air out. Connection 3.5 USB and SD card, and also here is the tempo button, speed up button, X1, X2 is the power button. Yeah, so this is very cool. And okay, next, I think I just have a very raw talk on the specifications and functions about this device. Next, I'm going to tell more details in the two parts. First, I introduce all the functions and buttons from front side, back side, up and down. It's first introduce fully about device, and then next, second part is about the specifications. So now first, we go to the front part. Here, there are many buttons here, and left right. From left right, here is the joysticks and direction buttons, and also it's Xbox because it's the the default settings is support the Xbox mode, and also it's the back buttons. And the right here is the start button and X, Y, A, B buttons, and we know X, Y, A, B can be used as the mouse left and right functions. And also it's the right joysticks, and we can also press not only rotate but also can press as the R3 buttons. And also here is the mode buttons, can switch from different mode, and the LED keys. So this is about the front side. And let's go to back. Here is the left and right is lock key to lock button of the controller. And also here is the input, air inlet, and here outlet that I mentioned before. Input. Here is the kickstand holder. You can put this to a desk if you hold it in your hand for a long time. And this is the back side, and then we go to the front, the up side. Here the butt side from left to right is the left trigger, left LTLBs, and here's the power buttons. 2-second press to boot on the device, and here's the home keys, and keyboard keys, keyboard keys, and also tempo buttons. This is pretty cool, and you can use it when you hold it, and you can experience this tempo button later. And 3.5 mm and USB-C port, TF card, USB 3.0. Yeah, it's the outlet, and the left, right B buttons. So this is the upside. And for the button, here is the charger support. USB 3.2 can support fast charger and magnetic suction keyboard port. So this is many features about this device, and we can long press to wake up the device. Okay, now here device is waked up. Onexplayer, and as we can see, find that this is our 8.4 inch 2.5 display resolution big screen here. Yes, it's a 2560 by 1600 display resolution, and also it's used the AMD Radeon 6800U. It support 680M, and also it's a detachable controllers, and also it's have a very smart cooling system, and also the joystick algorithm they developed by themselves, and also support the Harman Kardon stereo sound qualities, and the 6-axis gyroscope inside this. And also it's have a 16,100 big batteries with 65.5 amp.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus
charging efficiency. Yeah, so this is skip. This is the old Okay, now finally we enter the Windows 11 system, and we can check the settings and check the specifications about this device. Here we go to the about this device. Yeah, now got all the information about device specification, processor, RAM and ROM, device ID, system, Windows 11 Home. Yes, so this is old. Yeah, main specification about this device. And now, as we can see, it have a pretty cool and vivid display performance with its 8.4 inch, 2.5K display screen, and it looks so cleanly, and vivid display. And okay, next I can show you the buttons. As I mentioned, here the keyboard first. Keyboard, Here is Xbox mode. Yes, welcome to Xbox game bar. Play away, stick to connect to a square, listen to your play, got it. Yes, this is Xbox mode. Here, I think this is indicator. This is start button, back button, directions. Tempo buttons. And when we use the tempo button, we can here have the performance. Okay, this is the performance. You can choose it to 28 watt. GPU frequency mode, go to high. GPU, CPU, tempo 100 already. Cooling fan speed. Whoa. We hit voice. And we adjust it to different percentage. Vibrate rate. Settings. It get the feedback from the gaming. Resolution rate. 1 key ROM. Brightness. Volume. So this is very convenient. I think it's also like shortcut buttons as well for the tempo buttons. Okay, now so this main introduction about this device, the button functions and main features. And I think last I will show you a very unique and very special thing about the gaming handheld, because it is detachable, but here when we I don't detach it. You find that here it's a connection, mechanical connection port, and we can connect it to the keyboard they provide, and it's also use a pen to use to the Surface Pen. Works with the Surface Pen because it supports 10-point controlling, and this IPS screen is pretty nice for drawing pictures and for office as well. And also it's especially when we connect to the keyboard, it's very very convenient and very friendly for the not only for the gamers but also for the businessman office need. So this is pretty cool, I will say. And so it's a bit expensive, but I like such a good quality and product, and I hope you may like it as well. And so that is very quick and very simple talk on this Onexplayer2. So what do you think about this device? Do you like it? And thanks for watching, and this is today's video. Bye bye.